Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video let me give you a quick overview of Qlik Sense Desktop. Alright, so let's see it in action. Here I have the Qlik Sense. If I go down, alright, here this is Quick View, this is Qlik Sense, and here I have the Qlik Sense Desktop. So let me click it over here, and as I click it over here, it is starting the Qlik Sense Desktop, and it will ask me, if I'm not wrong, the username and password. So you have to have a login for that, and let's see it. Alright, it is taking some time, so let me pause. Alright, it has come. So username it is asking, and password. If you don't have, then go ahead and register it. Simply like any other registration you need to do. It's a simple registration. Okay, so I have, I think by this, login. If you want to remember, if you want Qlik to remember your password, just click on the remember password, and probably don't, from the next time you don't have to enter the password, just hit on login if it is your personal computer. So that's what the screen you will get once you will first open the Qlik Sense Desktop. So Qlik Sense Desktop, welcome to Qlik Sense Desktop, and create a new app, right? This is what we are going to do. So if you want this dialog box to show at startup, you keep it as it is. If you don't want, then remove it. So I don't want it because I can do it by going inside into the Qlik Sense. So I have just removed it. So I'll just click close. Now the desktop interface, as you can see, is very simple. On the left hand side, it has the repository, my personal repository for work. And if you are kind of a cloud environment, then it may have a different types of repository, your own personal, your development, your production, all of those different things. Now you can hide it by clicking it over here, and on this main screen, as you can see, I have the different sample applications like consumer sales, executive dashboard, sales discovery, help desk management, tutorial, beginners tutorial, all of those things. So I think I have shown one of the application in the cloud environment. Again, if I just click it over here, it will be same as the cloud environment which we have explored earlier in the videos. There you must have seen the application name was coming here when it was last loaded, and down there you have the different sheet, and you can click on any of the sheet and it will open up the sheet for you. And over here, as you can see, consumer sales is open. So if I want, I can simply close it, right? So that's a very simple interface that has been given to you. There is no complexity. But if I come over here, here is an option to go to Qlik Cloud, an option to search. Suppose if you have 100 different applications, suppose you are a very busy developer and have a lot of applications, you can just go and search it. If you come over here on the menu, Dev Hub is present for those developers who are developing components into the Qlik Sense, and some extension development, help and about, self-explanatory over here. If you come down, here is an option to create a new app. If you want to sort these applications alphabetically or with some other options, you can do that. Here also how you want to see these applications, like a grid view or a list view, you can do that. So that's a very simple interface that has been given to you by the Qlik Sense, and pretty much that's it. Yeah, apart from this last part which is getting started, it's nothing but the help. So help, you can get it from here as well as from here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. A very quick overview of the Qlik Sense Desktop, and in the next video we will start creating our application.